Hey there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn of the easiest way to make a moving platform with the player. To start, we're going to go to our home menu tab. We're going to click on part to add a part. You can scale your part. Change the color of your part. I'm going to rename my part to platform. Now do Ctrl D to duplicate and rename the second part to slider. I'm gonna click on move and move it out. Change the color to any color you like. I'm gonna select black and I'm gonna scale the slider to make it a little thinner, maybe around 4 units. That's going to be the height of your platform. The height of your platform is going to be about 4 units off the floor. Now to make this platform into a moving platform with the player on top of it, what we're going to do is we're going to use a prismatic constraint. So we're going to go to the model menu tab. We're going to click on constraints. If you don't have constraints detail turned on, you may turn it on right here by just clicking on it. Mine is already on. So now I'm going to click on create and I'm going to select prismatic. My first attachment is attachment 0. I'm going to place that on my slider. The second attachment is attachment 1. I'm going to place it on the platform. Now select the platform and we're going to click on move. We're going to move it next to the slider. So this way the two attachments are almost at the same location. I'm going to click on my slider now and I want to scale it, make it a little taller. Alright, and now we're going to select both the slider and the platform. How about we group them into a model and name it moving platform. With my moving platform model selected, I'm going to click on rotate. Now go to your model menu tab, set rotate, click on rotate here, set it to 90 degrees, and we're going to rotate this model by 90 degrees. Let's move it up, place it on top of the base plate. Select the slider and scale. We're going to extend this to whatever length you like. I'm going to stop around here at maybe 99 point something. Now you can see this platform needs to be rotated so it's laying flat. You can either rotate it or you can do this. Select the platform, select scale, and then we're going to scale this platform. So we're going to move it, make it wider and make it thinner. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our slider. We're going to click on our prismatic constraint. We need to adjust some settings in the prismatic constraint. Now we're going to go to the properties window. We're going to look for a property called actuator type. Instead of none, we're going to select servo. We're going to use a servo motor to move this part. We're going to change the speed. You can set it to whatever speed you want. How about 10 to make it move fast? Servo max force, we're going to change that to 100 to give it a lot of power. Now you can see the current position is -98, so that's where it is right now, and the target position is 0. So basically it's going to move, the servo motor is going to move this part from position -98 to position 0, which is at the location of attachment 0. Let us run test now and take a look. You can see it's moving from position -98 and it's moving the platform to position 0. It's going to stop. So if you like it the way it is, with the platform only moving from this side to this side and that's the end of it, you can use it as is. Or in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to add a script to it so that the platform is going to keep on moving from this side to this side. And then it waits for a little bit, and then it moves back over here, waits for a little bit and moves back to the other side. So it's going to keep on moving back and forth. I'm going to go to my moving platform. I'm going to add script. And inside your script, just enter the following lines. On the first line here, we're declaring the slider. So basically the slider is the script, the parent of the script, going down to the slider. Inside the slider, we have the prismatic constraint. So the second line here is declaring the prismatic constraint. Basically, to move the platform, all you need to do is to change the target position. So here we're changing the target position to 0 initially. So the platform started out at position -90 and change. It's going to move to position 0. And then we're going to wait for 15 seconds. And we're going to move it back to position -100. This code is inside the infinite while loop, so it's going to keep on doing this indefinitely. One more thing we need to do to turn this into a moving platform that carries the player, we need to get rid of the slider. Basically, we're going to select the slider and go to the properties window, change the transparency to 1, and the slider is gone. If you like, you can change the can touch property. Uncheck can touch. So now, I'm sorry, not the can touch property, but you want to change the can collide property. So uncheck can collide. So now the player won't be colliding with the slider. One more very important thing we need to do here is we need to select the slider and we need to anchor that slider so it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, let's now play test and take a look. So where's my part? There's my part over there, and it's already moving. It's not waiting for me, but I'm gonna go and catch it on the other side. Alright, I'm on the platform and we're just gonna wait for it to move. You can see the platform is off the ground, and there it goes. It's moving to the other side. And guys, that is the easiest way to make a moving platform with the player. If you'd like to learn more about constraints in Roblox, you can come to our channel, PrismaticP Roblox, and scroll down to the section, the How-To series, click on View All, and scroll down to the middle. Here we have a Roblox Constraints, All You Need to Know playlist. You can click on View Full Playlist. In this playlist, you will find all the different tutorials about constraints in Roblox, including how to use Roblox Web Constraints, Roblox Rod Constraints, Rope Constraints and Winch Motor, how to make revolving doors, how to use vertical hinge to make hinge doors, and much more. Alright everyone, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Take care everyone, peace.